I'm always ready to do important jobs." Just then Percy returned from working at the quarry. "My whistle is clogged again," he said. He blew hard to clear it, and this time he covered James in dust. "No," cried James, but it was too late. He had managed to stay clean all day, and now he was filthy. James sighed loudly. "I hope there aren't any important jobs to do," teased Thomas. "You would definitely need a washdown first, James." The engines all peeped cheerfully, and even James smiled in the end. The end.